Hello guys, hello and welcome back to the channel. In the last video we talked about um oh my gosh. Uh okay, we talked about KDP publishing and blogging and how this is another part of building digital real estate. Today, to add on to the digital real estate, we're going to talk about POD, which is short for print on demand. We said before, POD is short for print on demand, and basically what that means is that you can print your own designs onto different materials, and we'll get more into that as we get further into the video. So if you are looking to retire early and don't know where to start, then you are at the right place. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. As you know, this channel is for anyone who's looking to retire early, especially those who are already in that works a 9 to 5 and are close to retirement age. We need other options besides Social Security in order to retire. We're basically focusing on digital real estate and how important it is to build digital assets online in order to retire. Today we're going to be talking about print on demand and how you can start and build, and what does it mean to adding income to your retirement portfolio. Okay, so the first store we're going to look at, because there's a lot of print on demand companies, but basically I'm talking about one of the top ones, which is probably one of the ones I'm going to be starting with. And this one here is called, hold on one moment, this one here is called Printify. Um, Printify is a print-on-demand company, and these are some of the items that you are allowed to print with. You can make phone cases. Let's see what else. I gotta give you guys some more options. Um, let's go back to the catalog here. See the Printify product catalog right here. You can print on t-shirts. You can print on sweatshirts, which is a lot of people already do t-shirts and sweatshirts. My advice is to find a niche that not everyone is using and try printing from there. Let's try and look for, they have canvases. Okay, you could do your own artwork for walls and sell those. You can print on tote bags. You can also print on canvas boots. Okay, and there are so many other options. You also have the option to print on um, kids clothing. Okay, this gave me adults. Okay, right here they have onesies. They have little hoodies for toddlers and older kids. But here you go. You got onesies. You got bibs here. So, like I said, the options are endless. There's a lot of home designs that you can use as well, like blankets, shower curtains, pillows that you can print on. If you're good at design, this would be a valuable option. If you are not good at design, you can always use Creative Fabrica or Creative Market. Just be sure that when you order those designs from other designers, that you read and understand the licensing and how you are allowed to use those designs without infringing on any copyright. Okay. Now, like I said, there are plenty of other print-on-demand store. Printify is one of them. There's another one called Sublimation. Okay, let's see if we can find that one. Um, I don't understand why that one isn't coming up. Hmm, that's odd. That one isn't coming up. There's also one. Let me show you this one, guys. This one here is really unique. It is called um. This is another print-on-demand company. Hold on 1 minute. I seem to be changing my This one here is called Shine On. And Shine On basically, my computer is so old that it doesn't even pick up the old websites anymore. Shine On basically lets you print on jewelry. So you can customize jewelry and sell that on your store. E-commerce is a really growing market. It's probably one of the best markets. It's probably also one of the closest things to um, passive income when it comes to print on demand, because once you create design you can print it, and then that's it. The print on demand company will do the fulfillment. They will print it, they will mail it out to the customer, and they will take care of all the customer service. The best way that a lot of people are using these companies like Shine On, Sublimation, T Launch, Pillow Profits, AOP, WC Fulfillment is um, setting up a store on Shopify. Shopify would be your storefront. There are so many videos available on how to set this up. I am going to be setting up my store. Once I set mine up, I will do a video recording so that you can see exactly how to get started with POD. You can try Shopify free for 14 days. There is no credit card required that you have to implement. Okay, their basic plan would be $29. That you can definitely start out at that plan, but if you want to be successful or if you plan on being successful, my advice is to eventually upgrade to the $79 plan, because you want to be able to continuously sell and have this as a valuable income where it is bringing in money monthly. Okay, so Shopify is going to be your best bet. With Shopify, you can integrate all those print-on-demand stores that I just recently told you about, and each one of those stores have different options. I am going to do another video that's about the top 10 print-on-demand apps, and let you know which ones are free and which ones you have to pay for. As far as Printify go, Printify is free. Okay, but the way Printify is set up is that they have suppliers all over the world. Printify, again, you can print on pillows, water bottles, mugs. Um, they also offer all over print products, and they also have a great eco-friendly section that you can also look into. Now, the reason why I am focusing on Printify, because it seems to be like one of the number one best quality print on demand companies. There are, like I said, there are so many other companies, but just with anything else, I'm going to start slow and just focus on Printify. And when I want to add more products or add different storefronts, I'll implement other print on demand companies. But I don't want to get you overwhelmed, as well as myself, with all the companies that are available. But like I said, I will do another top 10 print on demand video so that you can decide what it is that you might like to start printing with. Like you might want to just do the jewelry, so you want to start with Shine On, okay? So that would be in a later video. So again, guys, print on demand is our next company. Our next business venture that you can try for building digital real estate. Okay, and I will be back with more information. Like I said, I'll do the top 10. But until then, guys, thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.